how to make amazing tech sales product demos if you are a business or a sales development representative. My name is Arno Belinga. I'm the co-founder and CEO at breakcold. Last year, I've done hundreds of tech sales product demos for my software, and that led to hundreds of paying customers and tens of thousands in monthly recurring revenue added to my software. And lately, I've hired my first reps for my business and I trained them. And they started with bad results. Now they have good results. So, in this video, I want to show you how to actually do a very good product demo, whatever the software that you need to pitch to other people. So right now I am inside my software, and what I'm going to do for the next 30 seconds is to show you a bad example of what a product demo should look like when you're talking with prospects. All right, so thanks for all the information. So you see inside breakcold, you have different sections. So you have people, companies, pipeline, and so basically it's a CRM where you can create different lists of people. When you go to the profile, you have LinkedIn inside the CRM. So it's very helpful to do some actions. Everything is synced when you go to activity, the different conversations that happen with the leads. And then from there, you have a pretty unique section in the software that is engagement. So I don't know if you've noticed already, but what I was doing for the last couple of seconds was very much descriptive. And so this is a big problem that reps are having when they do product demos, is that because you don't understand the product enough, you haven't used it for yourself enough, you're not comfortable to showcase to the prospect, to the potential customer, the value of the software that you're selling. Instead, you just focus on features, but actually, you should just focus on your value proposition. And usually, that is the first mistake you guys do. The second mistakes you guys do is that you don't ask enough questions before doing the demos. There were so many times when I was trying to buy a software, and when I was doing the product demo with a sales rep or whatever, I exactly say what I need. I say exactly what I understand already about the software, and still the guy just do me he does like the same demo that it should probably do to everyone, in although I say I'm not interested about that section and that section. So really important first to qualify the meeting, to ask the right question to the prospect, and depending on what the prospect says, you're going to show them the demo. So now I'm going to show you for the next 30 seconds like what a good product demo looks like, especially in my software, because I know this, because I know it works, because it's all about the haha moment, like they say. All right, thank you very much for all this information. So, as you know already, breakcold is kind of a mix between a sales CRM and a social selling software. So, what I mean by this is that with just one click from the sales pipeline, you're going to be able to aggregate not only all your email interactions with the lead like you would do in a traditional CRM, but also all the LinkedIn interactions, LinkedIn posts of your leads. And so from there, when it comes to having clear processes and saving time on data intelligence, you can be so much productive. So let me show you. The first thing is that when you aggregate all the LinkedIn posts of your lead, you can just type some keyword that your leads are using in the post. And so from there, you can like and comment the post, but also reach out to link the post, what your lead is talking about, linking it somehow to your offer. And this sounds very basic, but it works so much to just kickstart the conversation faster or throughout the conversation to foster it for follow-ups. The second thing you can do is that in just one click, you can be taken to the LinkedIn inbox. And it sounds pretty basic. Instead of that, the UI UX is much better than the ones of LinkedIn. But where it's very powerful when it comes to saving time and to be more productive, to make more money for your business, is that you can focus on all your LinkedIn conversations versus only the leads inside the CRM. And from there, again, you can just populate the feed of your prospect and just engaging as you talk with the lead. And that way, you're going to be so much more productive that you would be using another CRM that doesn't plug with LinkedIn because nothing is synced. You don't have data for your team, and essentially, you will lose productivity. So here, as you can see, I was talking about features a lot, but every time I was talking about features, there was a purpose behind it. And because of that purpose, I was always trying to give some aspects of process because at the end of the day, people they don't buy software really. What they buy is that they buy a process, they buy an integration, they buy an easier workflow. And usually, people in general, what they buy is that they buy time or they buy some, so they want to save time or they want to make more money. Sometimes there's softwares who do both, like my software do both, but sometimes there's software that it's just about making money or saving time. And so it's your job to convey that emotion throughout the call. And so in my case, the haha moment of my software is that in one click from the sales pipeline, like people they're like, wow, like I have LinkedIn interactions, I have email interactions in one place. Like it's madness. And because I've done so many demos, I know what works on the mind of people. So when you do your tech product demos, try to A/B test some opener of the demo, or when you talk with people throughout the demo, note after the call what makes people stood out, and so that they're like, oh, this is something I really liked. And when they're really intrigued by something, after 10, 20 product demos, you really realize what is the true haha moments when you do product demos. That's it for me. If you like what we do, try breakcold. I think it's going to help you with your job, or talk about it about your manager or your founders. Thanks. Bye.